This video I'm making is particularly for EcoBoost people. I do have the upgraded paddles. These are very nice. If you do not have these, you should definitely get you a pair. These are a lot more aggressive, a lot easier to use, and easier to race with because my hands, I can just tap up here. I don't have to tap down here. I can tap up here. I have a tire pressure sensor that has been a joke right now, so it's not working. It's the back left. I need to get them relearned, and I haven't done that yet. But I do have a cob access port. Crank it for you real quick. And there's that flashing light for the. I normally didn't have that problem. I just recently got my tires changed, and yeah, that's what happened. I don't want to get copyrighted. So this is a Ford Mustang EcoBoost 2015. It is tuned by Adam Plus Tuning. I recommend him 100%. I don't care what any joker says on the internet about him. He was amazing at tuning this car. He knows what he is doing, and is by far probably the best tuner I've seen. My AFR is gonna go down. There we go. It is an automatic. It is just the normal edition. It's nothing special. It just has this carbon fiber on it. That's about it. My kid has a racing car seat. Have to have that. So, what I wanted to make the video about, though, on the EcoBoost is a lot of people wonder, how do you get the blow off noise? How do you make it go? Well, it's pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. If you want that, I can get that. But why not have something that sounds even better? So, if you want to, right here, you plug this. All that is a door stopper, okay? This piece right here, door stopper. Shove a door stopper in this. Put a door stopper on this. This is the MAP full, and then MAP AmericanMuscle.com. Instead of the blow off noise, you're not gonna get a blow off noise. You're gonna get this noise. Now, if you're driving down the road, it will drive perfectly fine. I don't recommend you using this continuously. It's just video purposes only, just to show off in front of your friends. I would not recommend driving it this way, but I can drive it. I just won't drive it long term this way because it can mess up your turbo.